Hi, I'm Emmy and I'm so excited to try out this lash lifting kit. It's from PERMANIA. It was so affordable. We're going to try it out, show you the before and after, but I have to say I'm already impressed. It's nice and compact, but then it comes with everything you need, including this detailed instruction guide that teaches you exactly what to do. But what's cool specifically about this kit is it's not only for your lashes, you also can do your brows. Everything fits in this nice box, so it's easy to take with you while you're traveling, but the results also last like 6 weeks. And all of these solutions will give you enough volume for at least 10 times, so it's gonna last you a while. It comes with so many cool tools. Everything you need is in here. You don't need anything else. Let me show you the process, tell you what I liked about it, and show you how it worked. Because nothing is better than a perfectly curled lash, and our lashes just aren't naturally that way. So having this makes them last and have that perfect curl for weeks and weeks.
What's awesome about this kit is not only does it come with everything you need and the instructions, but it's salon grade materials. Here's the before shot of these lashes. But the kit is made for beginners, so it comes with this under eye pat that you put on your bottom lashes, and then it comes with a cleanser to prep your eyelashes. You then put glue on the silicone molds. It comes with multiple sizes, so you can get the exact curl for your eyelash length. You put the glue on, and then it has this nifty tool that helps to comb and stick the lashes. You put the perming material on and let it sit for 8 to 12 minutes. I loved taking a look at all the different little tools while we waited, and it even has this storage container for the combs. And then we put on the setting material, and then once that sits, you just take the cleanser, you wipe them off, and then you peel the silicone molds off. They came right off, and they look so natural, so gorgeous. It even comes with some aftercare to help keep your lashes strong. A really great Amazon find.